Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto E7i Power to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bar. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free transfer app from this developer. Then tap on Open. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Following that, you need to click on Receive on an Android one and Send on Motorola. Then click on all of those kind of dots and select Send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them and tap on Send. Then click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and then choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on this scanning icon over here on an Android, select only this time or while using the app and point your device's camera at the code. Then we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into Files app, clicking Continue, tapping on Browse in the middle and selecting, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!